Good day viewers, you are welcome. We have an interesting functional equations of which we are going to find the general form of f of x if we are given f of 4x minus f of x equals 9x. Let's see the general form of this. When we consider the solution from here, then we are going to consider this side. Here we have 9x. The power of this is 1, which shows that it is a linear polynomial. Then, after knowing that, we are going to consider the general form of f of x, which is, suppose we have f of x equals, suppose we are not given this, if we are given the power higher than this, so this is still odd. Here we have f of x equals, if I choose this one as an, then x raised to the power of n. So the next will be reducing, which is an minus 1, then x raised to the power of n minus 1. So consider the coefficient. Depend on the coefficient that we are given, but now it's in a general form. The next is plus dot dot dot. It continues till we have a naught. And after having this, we're now going to plug in the values that we need. As from one of these, we have f of x already, but we also need f of 4x. We have x here, that's why we have x here. So if this x should change to another thing, which means it will also reflect in all of this. Therefore, if I change f to 4x, as the question implies, we are going to have this equals an, then here is 4x raised to the power of n plus an minus 1, then we have 4x raised to the power of n minus 1. And it continues like that till we have a naught. If this is what we got, then from these given questions, we are going to be subtracting f of 4x minus f of x, so which everything equals 9x. So by taking this, we have for every f of 4x, we have it as an into bracket of 4x raised to the power n, then plus an minus 1, 4x raised to the power of n minus 1, plus dot dot dot, then plus a naught. We subtract f of x, which is an bracket, so no need of bracket, we have x raised to the power n plus an minus 1, x raised to the power of n minus 1, then plus dot 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 plus a naught, and everything here equals 9x. And let's try and combine this. The first one, we have this as an, and this is also an. Why this one is minus? So if I take out an from here, an open bracket, so in this we are going to have 4x all raised to the power of n, then minus x raised to the power of n. Also we have plus an minus 1 open bracket 4x raised to the power of n minus 1, then minus x raised to the power of n minus 1. So if this continues like that, we are going to have again plus a naught minus a naught. Everything equals 9x. And on getting this, we are going to keep going, but before that, a naught cancelled a naught. So here we have an, bracket 4x raised to power n minus x raised to power of n. So looking at this, we are going to see that we have x raised to power n here. If I take out an, here becomes 4 raised to power n and x raised to power of n minus x raised to power n, then plus here is an minus 1. So I'm going to leave this as 4x all raised to power of n minus 1, then minus x raised to power n minus 1. And since this has been cancelled, so we have plus dot dot dot, then everything equals 9x. Having this, we are going to factor out x raised to power n from here, and we have 4 raised to power n minus 1. If I consider n to be equals 1, so the first equation becomes a1 into bracket of 4x raised to power of 1 minus x raised to power of 1, then plus a1 minus 1 open bracket 4x all raised to power of 1 minus 1 minus x raised to power of 1 minus 1, and this continues plus dot dot dot, then everything equals 9x. I choose n equals 1 because the power of this is 1, which shows it is linear. Suppose the power of this is 2, I'm going to start my n from equals 2. So here is a1 into bracket of 4x raised to power 1 minus x raised to power 1. This gives us 3x raised to power 1 plus here is a0 into bracket of, we have this as 4x all raised to power 0 minus x raised to power 0, then equals 9x. But according to this, we are going to neglect a0 x raised to power 4x raised to power 0 minus x raised to power 0, because what we need here is just the power of 1, or we call it degree of 1. So therefore we just try and combine this and this together, and we consider the rest as a constant. So therefore we have a1 into bracket of 3x equals 9x. And comparing the coefficients, we have this as 3a1 equals 9. And this implies that our a1 equals 3. So by dividing both sides by 3 here, we have a1 equals 3. So if a1 equals 3, then we are now going to conclude that our f of x is equals from what we have, that is an, which is a1. If n equals to 1, that is 3. Then at x equals to 1, that is 3x raised to power 1, then plus constant value. So this is the general solution for f of x. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.